Good evening, dudes and dudettes. It is Light Liger here, and today it is time for the monthly airdrops. Once again, May has officially kicked in, and we got a couple of new airdrops and also a couple of old ones which are still ongoing. So let's get started. So first of all, we have my own new token, which is called Wuhan Friedbats. And this is basically a meme coin, which is also deflating at the same time on the Tron blockchain. And I will do a full video on it in next week or so, where you kind of get the concept and the idea behind the project. But I will do now a small airdrop for you guys to my followers. So all you have to do is like the video and then leave your Tron address down below, and you will be getting 80 Wuhans for free, minus the burn, so every transaction will have 2% burn when sent. And it's currently on two exchanges, Poloniex and also Nolex. Nolex is where you can buy it more cheaply, and because everything is happening through a centralized trading, there will be no burns on the trades themselves, so I recommend Nolex. But let's get into the other airdrops of the month. So first of all, we have Thundercore. I already did a separate video about this project, about the faucet, the staking, and the airdrop itself. Please watch that video. I don't want to go into details in this one. Basically, all you have to do is download the app, then use specific link code, which I have down below. You use my code and you get 1% of my earnings. And a lot of other people will be posting their links, but I'm probably one of the only ones that have USDT deposited in my account, so you'll be getting TT and also USDT as rewards. So I'm probably one of the better options out there, but definitely a very high paying app, and this is running till early summer, so you definitely want to try this airdrop. Next up we have Bityard, and I will actually have some type of another promotion with these guys coming up, but basically they have a daily airdrop going on where you can just get these coins from these mountains, and these will equate to a USDT amount. And I just got my first batch. This was my first day, and I got around 0.44 USDT. I think you're given up until like $6 or something, and the referrals will be giving you extra. Also, you will getting their own currency, PYD, by registering up. No KYC is actually required. Then we have another exchange, CoinSpit, which is actually, I don't know if they're trade washing or something, but they have very, very large volumes, and they have their own token on the platform right now, and basically it's like this sort of a casino token of sorts, and by registering you will get some, and by referring people to the platform you will be getting extra. And KYC might be needed for this one. I'm not completely sure about it. I have to read a bit more. Then we have another exchange called BitMart, and this one also is giving their native tokens to people. More information here. Basically, you get 200 for free BMX, and this is already a listed token, by the way, and so it has an intrinsic value and you can trade it. So 200 by signing under me, and then there will be bonuses for referring your friends to the platform as well. And this is running till the end of the month, so there's plenty of time. And there might be a KYC requirement apparently on this one, but it's probably worth it because the BMX is, it's going to be like a couple of dollars or something like that, the 200. So I think it's worth it in my opinion, but that's me. And next up we have something that I covered already on last month. Trust Wallet still has their application, which you can download, and you will get TYT WT, which is Trust Wallet token, which is already listed on a couple of exchanges. I got a pretty nice price for it from the previous referrals that I got, and basically, you know, all you have to do is download it basically, and you will be getting free TVT, and you get 200 for every friend that you refer. It's a pretty good wallet. I will have an individual review coming out of it. Reason why it hasn't come out yet, because I just hate recording on mobile, so that has been the reason for delay. And then we have Swiss Bork, another one that I've covered for multiple months. This one basically gives you points based on your predictions. Will Bitcoin go up or down? And these points will put you on a leaderboard. And higher you are on the leaderboard, higher Bitcoin reward you will be getting once the contest is over. And I'm talking about thousands of Bitcoins. Even the lower ends will get like $5 in Bitcoin. So that is pretty good. And you also get their native token CHSB by doing tasks. And by tasks, they're like very simple, like log into the actual application for daily basis. So there's some actual region blocked restrictions. I recommend Proton VPN. I'm gonna leave a link down below for it in case you having problems to download the application, but that's the one that I would go for. It's a free one. And next up we have Morpher, another one which will be giving you $13 worth of stuff for free, stocks to invest on the platform. It does require a small KYC, I think your passport and selfie, that's all you have to do. And you get $30 once their platform is actually going to be releasing. This one I'm pretty excited for because it looks very professional. And as for the last one, we have another exchange. Probit has, a history of doing many airdrops, obviously. And their latest one is called Sologenic. By the way, with a lot of these tokens, you want to dump them immediately. And all you have to do is register and do phone verification. No KYC, just the phone verification. You get a text message in your phone, and you just add in that code into the exchange field, and blah, blah, blah. You're done. And that's pretty much the rundown of the May airdrops. A lot of good ones, a lot of old ones which are still ongoing, in case you haven't done them yet. And obviously subscribe and like the video. And stay tuned for the next airdrop monthly when it's coming out on June. Hopefully then we will have a bit more and a bit higher paying ones. I'm not gonna lie that it's been a bit of a dry couple of seasons, but the thing is, bull market is, coming very soon, and these coins, which might be valued kind of low right now, will be going up. At least some of them will be going 50% up, some will be 100 and more. So think it as like the future price, not so much of the current price. Thanks for watching. I will see you guys on the next video.